We are now at the second day of the NAB show 2017, and this is our first year. It's really exciting, and right now it's still quiet because the floor is not open to the public, and this gives us a chance to let you in to our booth if you couldn't participate and see what we've got this year. So we basically brought all our controllers this year, almost all of them, and over here we have arranged the remotes. So let's take a look at the C20 remote right now. First of all, our remotes are remarkable in that they really fit well on a panhandle for a camera operator. So our idea is when a cameraman is at the same time a producer of a TV show, our remotes are really great no matter if they connect to an ATEM television studio HD, the new one with the panel, or if they connect to a vMix system, or even if they integrate different functions in the same remote. So for instance, this one is the classic C10 remote where we just switch sources. We have auto and we have cut. Over here we have a remote, the C15, also a classic, with a joystick which is currently hooked up with a PTC Optics robotic camera we have over here. Really cool little camera. It's high quality robotic camera. It's like half price of similar comparable cameras. So with this joystick we can adjust the camera, and up here we have auto and cut as well. So what we did with the smart keys this year, because up here we have a smart view where we can see sources, and we programmed these buttons to bring the ATEM out up here and over here the multi-viewer. Currently you can see there's nothing on the program out. So let's see if we can bring something up. We have it right now. And also another thing we did, and this is all Unisketch stuff. So really this is not custom programming in that would cost thousands of dollars. It's really something you just configure in the Unisketch interface. What we also did is, as you press these buttons to select cameras, they'll bring the camera up on the left monitor. In addition to selecting that source on preview on the ATEM switcher. So that's two devices the remote is talking to at the same time, but nobody knows. So the cool thing about our controllers is that you get seamless integration of like a video hub and an ATEM switcher at the same time. And that's what you see on this controller right here. And obviously if we go to camera number 1, which is our robotic camera, it's really useful because you can then bring the robotic camera up on the screen and see how it moves as you move the joystick. The C20 is a remarkable controller in that we have 10 small displays for each of the buttons and the knobs. So just real basically, this is working as a program preview row. So as you hold it, then it will put this source on. Now you have auto and cut buttons up here, nicely shown in the display. So we have the dynamic legends. You don't need to worry about fixed legends on the buttons because the displays will show you what they do. And this one is currently configured as a shift button. So as I push this one, notice how these buttons will change the function. I push it and then I see different sources. So that would be like secondary sources, some which I use only rarely, but I can now bring them on preview and cut to these buttons as well. This is enabling my keyer for the, you saw that up here, if we bring up the program out, I have here I'm fading in a name tag, and I assigned this button up here to select the name tag. So you see on media player 1 on the ATEM switcher, I can now select which name tag is on. So let's say it's Georgie's name tag right now. So I know it's Georgie's name tag. I press this button and Georgie's name is fading in. And this is also all in the hand of a camera operator. Up here I assigned this encoder to choose which source is on auxiliary 1. So that's our new exciting C20, and I think it has an incredible price tag for what you actually get. If you think about the flexibility this controller has, how it's a true universal broadcast controller, because the displays, the dynamic legends, let you quickly assign different functionality to it and still see in the displays what all the interface components do.